Same thing here, if you get a little bit on your white, you can clean it up with that smaller brush. And just make sure when you're in the corners that you try not to get it on your blue stripe. All right, there we have our finished pattern, and we can go ahead and start adding the rest of our decorative elements. So our final touch on our Hanukkah cake are our candles. Now you can see we have all our candles and they've had time to kind of dry and firm up. We're going to go ahead and place them on the cake, and then we're going to put the flames on. So we're going to start with that larger center menorah candle. And we want that to be right in the center of our top tier. So make sure you get it as close to the center as you can. If you're really a perfectionist, you can measure. I just kind of try to look and place it the best I can. And this is why we don't put the flames on in the beginning, because when we go to push down on this, we are going to probably do some damage to the top. There we go. You just want to make sure it's as nice and straight as you can get it. And that's our first candle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put one on each corner of the next two tiers. And you want to try to remember the same thing. You want to go as close to straight up and down as you can. All right. So once they're all placed, we're going to go ahead and make our little flames and finish our candles up.